Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Smriti Sharma and today I'm going to tell you about what is Ajax and how does it work. So let's start the video. What is Ajax and how does it works? Definition. Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is a set of web development techniques that allow web pages to update content asynchronously by exchanging data with the web server behind the scenes. Asynchronous operation. Ajax enable asynchronous communication with the web server. This means that requests can be made to the server and the browser does not need to wait for the response before continuing to execute other parts of the program. Components of Ajax. JavaScript used to make asynchronous requests to the server and handle the response. HTML request object, the core technology behind Ajax, used to create and send HTTP requests to the server. HTML CSS, the document object model DOM, is manipulated to update the user interface based on the data received. Working mechanism. When a user interacts with a web page, JavaScript triggers an Ajax request in the background without reloading the entire page. The XMLHttpRequest XHR object is created to establish a communication channel between the browser and the server. The request is sent to the server, typically to server side script or API endpoint. While waiting for the server response, the browser continues to execute other tasks. Once the server processes the request, it sends back a response which is received by the XHR object. JavaScript then processes the response and updates the DOM or performs other action based on the received data. Data formats. While the term Ajax includes XML, it is common to use other data formats like JavaScript object notation for data interchange due to its simplicity and ease of use. Cross-origin resource sharing. Ajax requests are subject to the same origin policy, meaning they can only request resources from the same domain. To make requests to a different domain, the server must support cross-origin resource sharing. Promises and callbacks. Asynchronous operation in Ajax are often handled using promises or callbacks. Promises provide a more structured and readable way to manage asynchronous code. Benefits. Improved user experience. Ajax enable dynamic and real-time updates to web pages, improving the user experience without the need for full page reloads. Reduced server load. Only specific parts of a page are updated, reducing the load on the server and saving bandwidth. Faster response time. Asynchronous requests do not block the execution of other scripts, leading to faster response times. Frameworks and libraries. While vanilla JavaScript can be used for Ajax, many developers use libraries and frameworks like jQuery, Axios, or the Fetch API to simplify the process. Consideration. Error handling. Proper error handling is crucial to manage issues like network failure or server errors. Security. Care should be taken to prevent security vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting and cross-site request forgery. Evaluation. With the advancement of web technologies, modern approaches such as using the Fetch API and asynchronous function have become popular for handling Ajax requests. Thank you. To sign up React Merge training, please contact 987-59-05952 or email info@devxhub.com. Thank you again.